Vanakkam, dear friends. Waking up, waking up to the morning sun kissing your home, filling every corner with golden light and hope. Today, I am overwhelmed with joy, sharing you this stunning east-facing single floor plan. Your family perfect dream home. Build-up area is just 834 square feet on the compact plot, but packed with love, comfort, and prosperity. Let's walk through this beautiful plan that can transform your life forever. Behold the ground floor, designed for those magical mornings every Indian family cherishes. Front portico 12 by 7 welcomes you like open arms. Perfect parking for your bike parking. Step into the spacious hall come living 11 by 7, 10 by 17, where family last laughter echoes festivals comes alive. Kids do homework on the floor. Pure family magic. Dining area is like 10 feet 6 inches by 6 feet. Right next to it, imagine hot dosas, family prayers, we can feast together. Kitchen is around 10 feet by 10 feet. Your mom or wife cooking paradise, easy access for serving love on plates every day. And then on master bedroom, uh, 10 by 12 fits for every parent, your parents, queen of the house. Big enough for double bed, a wardrobe, that special puja corner where prayers bring miracles, and with attached toilet, uh, 8 by 5. This is in exact northwest corner, which is very good as per Vastu. Uh, some Vastu tips where we can look out. There is an east entrance. Morning sun brings health, wealth, and new beginnings. And then southeast kitchen, fire energy for abundance in family life. Master bedroom in southwest. This gives stability that holds your family strong through generations. Toilets in northwest, negative energy flows out, positivity stays. Hold your breath, friends. I will show you the elevation. This elevation brings you, will make your heart skip. Modern white facade with bold black assets, geometric patterns that scream luxury. Stunning main gate with a traditional motif, perfect blend of modern and culture pride. Large windows flooding sunlight, balcony railing, elegant and safe stone cladding, adding royal texture. Plants framing perfectly. This home doesn't just stand; it shines on the street. Neighbors will whisper, "What a beautiful house!" Affordable yet premium. Your family proud landmark. Friends, this 834 square feet east-facing beauty is in concrete and walls. It's where your daughter learns to walk, where you celebrate every Pongal, where parents age gracefully around, surrounded by love. If this touches your soul, smash like, share with the friends building their dream. Subscribe for more life-changing plans. Comment below which room made your heart made most. Let's manifest your dream homes together. Uh, for more video, plants like this, check out our website www.houseplants.daily.com and www.houseplants.world. Also, our apps are available in the Play Store. App names are House Plants and Designs, House Designs and Plants, Plan Nest, and Design Nest. You can check it and install now. Thanks for watching. We will check more plans or next plans, next videos. Thank you.